And a good day, ladies and gentlemen, from Theme Park Tempo, back at it again today, right outside the Pantopia area here at Busch Gardens, Tampa. Haven't been here in quite some time. Finally got out, took a lot of vacations this summer, finally got out, back out here. There's been a new coaster that's opened up. I haven't got the chance to go on it yet. It's a new B&M family suspended coaster known as Phoenix Rising. Super excited to get a ride or two on that today. Come with this, guys. Going to get you a POV on this new coaster. As always, it's your first time to the channel. Do me a favor, like and subscribe down below. Welcome to Theme Park Tempo. Welcome to Busch Gardens, Tampa. Welcome to Phoenix Rising.
Wake up every day, theme parks on my mind. Ride the big coasters, leave the world behind. Theme Park Tempo, loving every ride. Theme Park Tempo, feel the thrill inside. Theme Tempo, stream it every night. Theme Park Tempo, stop me, ride the light.
Always good to add a click to the coaster train today. As we do that, oh, looks like Falcon's Fury is up and operational. Very excited to see that as well. To get a ride on her as well later today. But today's first up is going to be the new credit. Let's go get her done. I believe she's off to the right here, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. Wonder how the queue is looking. Assume this would be the one queue we do have today. Looks nice off ride. Yeah, short ride nonetheless. I believe one train operations is all they can do on them. Maybe they know I see blocks. Maybe they do have, they can? No, just one. Yeah. This foliage eventually grow in over time. It's been a nice station. Oh, the line's not too bad at all. No, maybe like one or two trains. Nice. Yeah, there's empty rows. Beautiful signage out here in the front. EA UT full. Decent queue too. Not super themed, but not bad. Not bad at all. Some treasures out here. Oh, this is walk on. Nice station actually, with screens behind it. Wonder if that does anything when the train dispatches. B&M's newest coaster, B&M, Busch Gardens' newest coaster. One of B&M's newest, but definitely not their newest. I don't know if the screen does anything with the dispatch. Oh yeah, it does, nice, cool, that's awesome. Alright guys, we got one train wait ahead of us here, and then we'll be on the front row here. Oh cool, it does stuff while you're not. Oh, nice. Modern theming, modern theming. I'll have cool go through the thing guys, back into the Phoenix as the train enters back into the station. Some cool artifacts I see along the wall here, on the queue right before we board. Very nice and nifty.
I like just having a lap already, guys.
We've been situated here. Our front row ride for Phoenix Rising. Should get a dispatch any second now.
Scanning platform.
There we go.
Platform clear. Dispatching.
It's always fun to get on a new coaster, even if this one's a tinier one. Decent sized lift hill, honestly, though, for a family coaster. Oh yeah, it is on board. Oh wow, was not expecting onboard audio. Here, check it, guys. Whoa! Whoa! Okay. Wow! Rising.
Really enjoyed that.
I did too. That was nice.
A lot of near misses.
Yeah.
Like, a lot.
There we go, guys. The front row ride on Phoenix Rising. Way more than I expected. Nice first drop. Lots of near misses. Nothing crazy to write home about. It is more on the family side of thrills, but definitely way more than I expected. Thoroughly enjoyed my ride. Nice and smooth like B&Ms generally are. Yeah. Heck of a job here. Somehow, some way, they managed to exit you into a gift shop. Like an existing gift shop, but nonetheless, we exit right into it. Okay, Phoenix Rising merch right there for you. Smart to put it right there. And go around and actually get a back row ride on it now. Alright, folks, I'm gonna go back around now and hit up a back row ride here in Phoenix Rising. See what it offers, the thrills towards the back of the train here. Let's do the dang dang. And currently they don't accept any quick Q4 because it's a new coaster, generally how they operate here, but you don't even need it today. Alrighty guys, there we go. We've got the scan for dispatch here.
Platform clear, dispatch.
See what the back row offers. Phoenix Rising, beautiful. And that's going to wrap today, guys, here from Theme Park Tempo at Phoenix Rising. It was a blast getting you guys on this brand new B&M family coaster here. Great back row ride, even better in the front. Nice steaming, and all in all, great addition to the park. So if you guys like this kind of stuff, do me a favor, like and subscribe down below. Until then, catch you guys next time.
Theme Park Tempo, loving every ride. Theme Park Tempo, feel the thrill inside. Theme Tempo, stream it every night. Theme Park Tempo, stop, beat, ride the light.